Have you ever said this? They should know better than that by now. We've said it in our head, right? Or out loud. You should know better than that. When I go shopping and I watch the general public behave, I say that in my head. They should know better than that right now. There's a line. Do you know how to stand in a line? They should be aware of other people. Social awareness is one of our very most difficult things right now in our whole society. And so we have to be aware of that. But don't make assumptions that kids have any skills. Actually, that kind of makes your day go a little bit better. If you just go in and say, yeah, they don't know how to behave. It's good. They don't know this. They don't know that. Just don't make assumptions. And then you can just start from square one. I think that really aggravates me when I go in and I make an assumption. So we try to not to do that.